Oh, hey, you're here. You ever heard of the hidden job market before? Would you like to access the hidden job market? As many as 80% of the positions that are actually available out there are unadvertised. You'll never find them on any job board. You will have no opportunity to apply online for them. So how do you get into this game? Networking. Don't believe me? Well, today I'm joined by professional career coach Jeri Walker of YourBestDesignedCareer.com, and she and I have a few things to share on accessing the hidden job market and finding unadvertised jobs. Don't even think about clicking off. You need to watch this one. Watch to the end because we're giving away a free networking script that you can put into use and start using today. What's up, you guys? Darren DeLuca here. Welcome to the Ramblin' Recruiter, the channel that's dedicated to helping you find the job of your dreams and make the most of your career. I've been a recruiter for nearly 2 decades now, and in that time, I've learned a thing or two about hiring and getting hired. Now I'm here to share that with you. If that sounds good, subscribe and click the bell to enable notifications so you never miss anything again. Links to everything we're talking about today are down below in the description, as are links to merchandise and tech. And if you want to become a supporter of the channel, you can do so via PayPal and Patreon. Links are below in the description. Even $1 helps keep the lights on, so thanks very much for that. I really appreciate it. All right, so if you're ready, I'm ready, and let's get into this, shall we? There's a hidden job market out there, and it encompasses as many as 80% of the available positions out there. 8 out of every 10 positions are just not advertised. You won't find them on any job board, and you won't be able to apply online. So how do you get into this game? You have to start networking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Darren, that's crazy. How could it possibly be that 80% of the job market is hidden? Easy. There's a lot of reasons for it. Getting approval to hire new people is difficult, and many times hiring managers are just kind of kicking around the idea in their head of bringing somebody on. Maybe they don't know exactly what they need or want yet, but they know they'd like to add to their team. Getting approvals to hire new people is difficult, so they never actually bring this up to anybody until they have somebody in mind who could fill the position and meet the need. The only way to get in touch with these individuals is through networking. Sometimes a hiring manager meets somebody and likes them so much they actually create a position for them right then and there on the spot. It happens. I've been a recruiter for almost 20 years now, and many times we've had positions created for candidates who were great where no position existed before. So, now that you're armed with this information, how are you going to go about networking with these individuals to get your name and profile out there in front of hiring managers that may very well have a need for you but haven't advertised any position? Well, my friend and professional career coach Jeri Walker of YourBestDesignedCareer.com has some ideas. Jeri, take it away.
Thanks for having me, Darren. And you're absolutely right. Most jobs are never posted online, but are filled by knowing a friend of a friend who is the right person for the job, or knowing someone who can give a referral to the hiring manager or recruiter. The fact that most positions are never posted online means that there is a huge amount of opportunity that you're not tapping into if you're only spending time on job boards. And not only are most jobs never posted, but these are usually the best jobs. So it's important that you have a networking strategy in place. Now, most people cringe at the thought of networking and feel awkward about reaching out to others. If that's you, let me tell you 5 things you can do to start your networking plan so you can tap into the hidden job market. Now, number 1 is change your mindset. This is really important. If you don't do any of the other 4 things I'm going to tell you about, please do this one. Don't look at networking as how people can help you, but how you can help them. Now keep in mind that hiring managers need help, and recruiters want to find candidates and fill these open positions as soon as they can. So give some thought as to what their needs are and focus on how you can get them what they need. If you approach networking from a position of giving and not taking, a couple of things are going to happen. One, focusing on how you can serve others will give you some control in the process and increase your confidence. And this will help with any nerves or awkwardness that you may be feeling about networking. Second, networking is a two-way street. If you give, you'll receive. Now, sometimes this may take some time, but eventually you will receive. So if you're feeling like networking means contacting people to ask for favors, flip your mindset and consider what favors you can do for others. Because to someone else, you are the person who knows the person that they need to be introduced to. Now, number 2, start with the low-hanging fruit. If you're new to networking, don't worry. You don't have to start contacting random strangers. If you're job searching, be sure that your friends and family know this, because you never know which one of them might know someone who's looking for someone with your skill set. Next, reach out to your former colleagues. You can connect with them on LinkedIn if you haven't already, and ask if they want to meet for coffee or lunch, just to catch up. And connect with former college alumni on LinkedIn. You can do a simple search in LinkedIn and reach out to others in similar vocations or industries, or who work at companies that you're interested in. Also, continue relationship building with new acquaintances that you meet at social gatherings. Follow up with them after meeting them to see how you can help them in their business or career. Now, number 3 is follow company pages on LinkedIn and start to engage with their content. Make a list of 10 to 20 companies that you'd like to work for and follow their LinkedIn page. Then you can start commenting on their posts, provide additional insights to give value, and then start connecting with other individuals who are also commenting on their posts, as well as people who work there. What you can do is do an employee search and look for individuals with whom you share a connection with. This will increase the likelihood that they'll connect to you. Also, start connecting with hiring managers. What you can do is reverse engineer your ideal position at the company to determine who that might be. Number 4 is follow up after you connect with people. So don't just connect with people on LinkedIn or collect business cards at networking events and think that that's all there is to it. Take action and keep the conversation going. And if you're not sure what to say, at the end of this video, Darren is going to tell you how to get a bunch of networking scripts that you can use in just about any situation. And finally, number 5 is commit to networking. If you're job searching, set daily outreach goals. Make the commitment to reach out to, say, 5 people every day with LinkedIn connection requests, emails, or lunch invitations. Now, if you're not currently job searching, set weekly goals so that you nurture your network and keep it engaged. Just pick one day a week to meet someone in your network for lunch. For example, just drop a placeholder in your calendar so that, say, every Wednesday, you're going to have lunch with someone in your network. And remember, you're not asking for favors. You're catching up with them and you're offering your assistance where they might need it. Networking doesn't have to feel awkward. Just keep in mind the common ground that you have with your network and how you can help them get what they need, be it professional advice, an introduction to a prospective client, or someone to fill one of those 80% of jobs in the hidden job market that never get posted online. So be sure to grab your networking scripts, get started, and I hope to see you over at my channel, Your Best Design Career.
Thanks, Jeri. That was eye-opening. I've included a link to Jeri's channel, yourbestdesigncareer.com, below in the description. Check it out when you get a chance. You know, in my intro video, I talk about how a lot of self-appointed job experts out there are peddling snake oil. That's not Jeri. Jeri's the real deal. So now that you understand the importance of networking and how much bigger it can make your job search, you're ready to get started, right? Not so fast. You need a script. You'll get the hang of it over time, and you'll develop your own style as you get better at it. Without a script to get started with, your networking efforts are going to sound a lot like, "Oh, hey there, here's my resume, let me know when you have a job for me. Thanks, bye." It wouldn't work in real life, it doesn't work online. So how do you get this free networking script? Very simple. The link to my LinkedIn group is below in the description. Come on over, join the group, and I will send you a copy of this script. It's free, and you can start using it today. One of the absolute best ways you can help support this channel and help us keep delivering good content for free is by purchasing merchandise like this lovely mug. Who wouldn't want to drink their coffee out of this vase? Head over to my Teespring store now, link is down below in the description, and use the promo code you see on screen right now to get $5 off anything in the Teespring store. Check out the video that's right down below here. That's the one that YouTube thinks you're gonna like the best. They're usually right. Enjoy the rest of your job searching day, and I will see you next time. Stay classy, YouTube.